Hello everybody and welcome to this week's vlog. And I have just sat through a session with Cameron Kusher from realestate.com. He's the Economist, and we had him in our offices today, which is really great. Thank you realestate.com for doing that. And I came up here actually personally to talk to him because I wanted to see what's going on so I can convey messages to you. So very interesting. It all seems pretty good, like economically. You know, bigger picture, interest rates seem to be plateauing, inflation's on the way down. Maybe that'll continue to plateau with the interest rates as long as there's not too many shocks. Interest rates cliffs, we seem to be handling that. Prices have been up. Like, it's interesting, you know, that sort of, you know, it's like prices have been up 3% this year. And I was like quite fascinated with that because we're actually seeing in different markets, different buildings, different stock, you have very different stories. So you've got some properties that I think that are selling very strongly, but you've got some people who are selling stuff that they bought in 2015 and that actually hasn't moved in price. So, you know, there is some very mixed sort of messages there. Definitely the stock is up. So that price increase has been fueled by a low stock, and we've been saying that, and now we're starting to see certainly their stock on realestate.com is increasing. We're definitely seeing that, and there's more for buyers to choose from. And the question is, now that they've got more to choose from, more discerning, does that mean that they're not as anxious to pay more money for it? They're being very calm about what they think they're going to pay. So for vendors out there, I think you've just got to take it steady and pitch at a price out there in the marketplace that's going to attract some buyers, build your competition and sell it, which is exactly the same message I say all the time, regardless of market conditions. So anyway, also rental market, very interesting talking to you about that. You know, vacancy rate gone from 3.5 to 1.7%, potentially going to go lower. You know, average rent, I think it was something like 530s, now 650 across Sydney. And you've definitely seen some big increases. COVID effects are being reversed. You know, everybody who went to the regions or went to houses, went to suburbs, all getting up and going back to the city now. So we're sort of getting back to normal. People who sort of moved out of shared houses into their own places because it was cheaper, now moving back towards shared houses because it's more expensive. They own flatmates.com, so they can sort of see that happening. And it's a question of what that has an effect on, you know, rents. What we're seeing is rents seem to be plateauing a little bit right now. So for landlords, I'd say just watch that one. We're definitely seeing a calm down. So this sort of big push, and a lot of landlords are, you know, because their interest rates have gone up, they're trying to really push those rents. So we've definitely seen a calming of prices and a slowing down of that, but you know, still, you know, it's not going down. It's sort of staying at those levels. So yeah, what does that all mean? Steady as she goes. It always seems to be steady as she goes. Anyway, talk to us and we'll navigate you through the whole lot. Okay, see you later.